happening, guys? Nice meeting you here again. Thank you so much for showing up. And today we're gonna go over our additional pages, that is the extra pages that we need apart from the legal pages. These include our contact us page, the affiliate page, any additional information like the shipping and tracking page. So we'll just go ahead and jump right in. So first, from your home screen, after logging in, naturally click online store, then pages, right? And then click add page, and it brings you to this little text editor. If you've ever used WordPress before, you would recognize this. This is a general format and it's very easy to use. So we enter the title of our page. So this is a message: we need help with your order. I have a question that you'd like answered. Don't hesitate to contact us using any of the methods below. Okay, create the sentence. Service web. To your query within 24 hours. Okay. We need phone. At this very long URL. Have to make sure that your support email is correct though. This will be a huge part of trying to get added to Google Shopping later, because if you don't have some information, they will ban your page. Having support information goes a long way, making your website look and feel just nice and professional. Persons are more inclined to shop when they feel like they can get in contact with you, answer their questions before, during, after the sale, and it just makes your customers a lot more comfortable. One more thing we could do, which I'm not gonna do for this page, is we could use the page.contact template, and what this would do is it would place a contact form under the information here, but I don't want that, so let's use the email address and the phone number. If you want, you can add your physical address or your return address. Click save. That's the first one, and we're gonna create another page. So for the other page, I am gonna just do shipping, tracking, and I'm just gonna go into my computer and grab that file. I have a template and I'm gonna use the template for it, and you guys can download this template in the description below. Alright, so give me a moment, let me go grab that. we're back, guys. So we have the templates, but it's an HTML template. So we're gonna switch to HTML here, paste in the code, switch back to regular, and then we can edit our template. So my processing time is from 5 business days. You know what? Let's use 1 to 3 business days, but generally 2 makes persons feel a little bit safer. Standard shipping time is from 3 days. Average is about 7 to 10. Good. Express shipping is 2 to 5 business days. We'll leave that alone. International is 15 to 40, which is standard. Offer express shipping for international orders, and we have a little tracking code embedded in this page. So if you want this code, remember there's a link to it in the description below. Just click on it, take it to a page where you can download this for free. Alright guys, so we have that. Click save. That's our shipping page. Since we're here, might as well just do the FAQ pages. And there are 2 ways to do FAQs. There is one using the app. The other is just to create a page. Since we're in the pages, alright, let's do it using the app. So in our next session, when we begin adding our apps, we will go ahead and create the FAQ page, the returns page, and the affiliate login link and affiliate login portal and everything. And we do have one more page we're gonna create here though, and that's our affiliate page, our affiliate information. So let me just go grab that. I'll be right back, guys. And we're back, guys. So this page will be our affiliate sign up page. And the reason why we want a whole page for this and not just the link is because it gives them an idea of what to expect from the program. We'll be testing affiliates sometime later with the store, and we'll go through the entire process from finding the affiliates to them, and to sign up, to negotiating commission and stuff like that. So we'll just truncate this. We edit the email, so that's just a placeholder email. So nice professional page. So we're offering them 10% commission per sale. They get paid through PayPal. They get a $10 bonus when they sign up, and they must have a minimum of $30 in accumulated before they get paid. Right? Not gonna keep the Telegram section. They want to promote, well, eventually we might put it back in to send out stuff. Where it says sign up here, we'll just hot link this once we create the program, and we'll do that in a future video, guys. So we'll just save this there. Most of our pages are done. Alright guys, so if you learned anything from this today, just go ahead and like the video for me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really does help the channel, guys. So I'm trying to grow the channel, trying to go from 1,000 subscribers to 1,500, and I think we can make it happen. Alright guys, we can make it happen. So again, like the video, it really helps. Subscribe if you haven't, and tune in again soon. We'll have an update.